In this video, we will be seeing interest compounded half yearly. I have already posted one video where interest is compounded annually. I have given there. The formula here, which is shown in the screen, is for annual basis. So this formula is for annually. When the compound interest is calculated annually, we use this formula, and when the compound interest is calculated half yearly, we will do a small change in the formula and we will be using same thing, but there will be a small change. I will keep this also visible. And compounded half yearly means every year has 2 half years. That is 6 months makes 1 half year. So the time period 1 year is 2 half years. So the time period will be doubled, whereas the rate of interest will become half, because we are calculating only for 6 months. That is why the rate of interest will be half and the time period will be doubled. So now for half yearly, the compound interest formula is A equal to P into 1 plus, I have already told you, the rate of interest will be half, will be, so R by 2. If R is the rate of interest for 1 year, then for half year it will be R by 2 into 100 whole power. We have n in the annual thing, but here we have every year we have 2 half yearly, so we are multiplying the n with the 2. So this is the formula which we are going to use to calculate compound interest half yearly. Half yearly means same formula, but R will be half, it will become half, and then the time period will be doubled, because every year we have 2 half years. The first example here for half yearly calculation of interest. The first problem is calculate the compound interest on rupees 6,250 at 8% per annum for 1 year compounded half yearly. So usually they will give R, that is rate of interest, for 1 year only. Per annum they will give. But we have to calculate it for half yearly. That is, R will become half of the whatever given, and the number of time, the time period will be doubled, because 1 year has 2 half years. So now we will write the given data. The first one is P principal is 6,250, and R, the given R is 8% per annum, and time period N equal to 1 year. We'll write as it is whatever they have given, and then when we write the formula, we will do the necessary things. A equal to P into, I am writing the half yearly formula, 1 plus R by 2 into 100, R by 2. That is, I am making half of that R, the whole power N into 2. That is, N is the given time period, I am doubling it. So now it is 6250. P is 6250 plus 1 into 1 plus R is 8 by 2. That is 8 by 2 is 4% now. Whole power N is 1 year they have given. So 1 into 2. So this way I have written. So now we can cancel this. This will become 4 and this will become 25. So now we are left with 6250 into 1 plus 1 by 25 power 2. 1 into 2 is 2. Okay. So now it is 6250, the whole power 25 plus 1. I am taking LCM here. 25 plus 1 power 2. Okay. So now we can reduce this. Equal to 6250. It is 26 by 25, the whole square. So how to do this? 6250 into 26 by 25 into 26 by 25. For making the calculations easy, we are removing the square and making it 2 times. Now, when you do the cancellation, this and this will get cancelled and it will become 6250. Then again this and this will get cancelled and it will become 10. So now we are left with 10 into 26 into 26. This is 6760. When you multiply 10 into 26 into 26, you will get 6760. This is the amount. This is the amount. But whatever the question is calculate the compound interest. They are not asking us amount, but they are asking us compound interest. And already I have told you, compound interest directly we cannot find out. We have to find out the amount and subtract that amount with the principal. We'll get the compound interest. Now, compound interest, CI equal to amount minus principal. Amount here is 6,760 minus the principal is 6250. So, the compound interest is 510. That's all. These formulas, compound interest equal to amount minus principal and all will not change. That is the concept. Remaining only we are changing it in the formula here. We are reducing the R by 2 and we are increasing the time period. We are doubling it because every year we have 2 half years and only for half year we are calculating. So the rate of interest will be reduced. Now the second example. Find the amount and compound interest on rupees 12,800 for 1 year at 7.5% per annum compounded half yearly. So I have chosen this problem only to teach you this 7.5%. It is not full, it is half. That is why. Now we'll see what are the given data. We'll write all the given data. P equal to rupees 12,800 and N equal to 1 year and R equal to 7.5%. So now it is in mixed fraction. We have to make it to improper fraction. 7 into 2 is 14 plus 1 is 15. 15 by 2%. R is equal to 15 by 2%. We are making it into improper so that calculations will be easier. So now amount equal to P into, this is compounded half yearly. So half yearly formula, P into 1 plus R by 2 into 100 whole power N into 2. So P is 12,800 into 1 plus R is 15 by 2. Already our R is 15 by 2 and then we have to write this into 2 into 100. The whole power N is 1 year, so 1 into 2. Now 12,800 the whole power. We can cut this 15 and 100 with the 5. So now 1 plus 3 divided by 20 into 2 is 40. 40 into 2 is 80. Whole power 2. So now 12,800 the whole power 80 plus 3. I am taking LCM. 80 plus 3 the whole divided by 80 power 2. So now 12,800 the whole into 83 by 80 the whole square. So as usual you know very well that we have to remove this square by making this number double and we have to cancel it. So 12,800 into 83 by 80 into 83 by 80. The zeros and all we can cancel here. Then this 8 and 128 can be cancelled and we get 16. And this 8 and this 6 we will get 2. So now we are having 2 into 83 into 83. So when you multiply 2 into 83 into 83, we will get 13,778. 13,778. This is the amount. In the question, In the question, they have asked find the amount and compound interest. Now we have found out the amount. Now we will find out the compound interest. You know very well compound interest equal to amount minus principal. So amount is 13778 and principal is 12800. So the compound interest is 978. 13,778 minus 12,800 is 978 and it is the required compound interest for this problem. Now the third example is find the amount and the compound interest on rupees 31,250 for 1.5 years at 8% per annum compounded half yearly. Here I have chosen this problem because here the number of years is in fraction 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Okay, the first thing is we have to write the given data. P equal to rupees 31250. And before writing years, we'll write R. R equal to 8% and N equal to 1 by 2 years. So now this 1 by 2 is in mixed fraction. We'll make it as improper. So it will be 3 by 2 years. For the calculation purpose, always we have to keep the fraction in improper, not in mixed fraction. That's all we'll use as usual. A equal to, this is compounded half yearly. So I will be using the half yearly formula. 1 plus R by 2 into 100. The whole power n into 2. Okay, now P is 31250 into 1 plus R is 8 here, 8 by 2 into 100. The whole power n is 3 by 2 here. So 3 by 2 into that 2. So what will happen? This 2 and this 2 will get cancelled here. And now this also 1 and 4 times. And this when you cancel it will become 25. So what is remaining now? 31250 the whole power 1 plus 1 by 25 the whole power 3. That's all. No fraction is there in the power now. Only 3 is there. Okay. Now we'll take LCM 31250. LCM is 25. So 25 plus 1 by 25 the whole cube. So now 31250 into 26 by 25 the whole cube. So how to do this? Again 31250 into 26 by 25 into, it is cube. So 3 times we have to expand this. Now when you cancel all this, what will happen? So first I will try to cancel it in 5. So it will become 6250. And again this 5 also I will cancel. So 1250. Again this one I will use to cancel. This will become 50. And then this 25 and 50 I will get 2. So now the remaining is 2 into 26 into 26 into 26. This is what now we have remaining. When you multiply all this, you will get 35152. This is the amount. Always when you use compound interest formula, you will get amount only directly. And with the help of that, you have to find out the compound interest. So amount is 35152. Now you know how to find out compound interest, that is amount minus principal. Amount is 35152 and principal is 31250. So now compound interest is 3902. That's all. Very easy. Only thing we have to remember is the formulas. Next video, I will make some complicated problems based on this compound interest. If you like my videos, please share and subscribe. Thank you.